Welcome to formal email writing. This covers professional emails for work and business communication. Formal emails follow specific structure and tone. They create professional impression with recipients. Proper email writing builds credibility and respect. Formal emails use professional language and structure. They differ from casual emails by tone and format. Professional tone shows respect and seriousness. Use formal emails for business, job applications, and official communication. Always maintain professional appearance. Every formal email has 6 main parts. First is subject line, then greeting, opening sentence, main body, closing, and signature. Each part serves specific purpose. Follow this structure for clear professional communication. Proper order creates logical flow. Subject line must be clear and specific. Keep it concise, 5 to 8 words maximum. Use action words like request, confirm, discuss. Maintain professional tone, avoid all caps or exclamation marks. Good subject line helps recipient understand purpose immediately. Good example, meeting request Q4 budget review. Clear, specific, professional. Bad example, urgent exclamation, please read this now exclamation exclamation. Too casual, creates panic, unprofessional. Choose specific descriptive subjects over vague urgent labels. Use dear followed by title and last name with comma. Dear Mr. Smith, comma. Dear Mrs. Johnson, comma. Dear Dr. Patel, comma. For groups, use dear team, comma. Always use title unless you know person very well. Never use first names in formal emails. Start with polite opening sentences. I hope this email finds you well, period. Thank you for your recent email, period. I am writing to discuss purpose, period. Following our recent conversation, period. These establish polite professional tone immediately. Write short paragraphs, 3 to 4 sentences maximum. Use bullet points for lists. 1 main idea per paragraph. Include clear action items with deadlines. State purpose early. Be direct but polite. Help recipient understand exactly what you need. End with professional closing phrases before signature. Best regards, comma. Kind regards, comma. Sincerely, comma. Thank you, comma. Each followed by new line then your name. Choose closing based on relationship formality. Best regards works for most situations. Signature includes 4 elements: full name on first line, job title on second line, company name on third line, contact information on fourth line. Keep signature simple, professional. Include only essential information. Place after closing phrase.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.